Flughafen is the airport name, the Zurich airport name. So the train is in about 5 minutes. So gotta go catch it. So we finished our baggage check-in. Now we're gonna be baggage free. Let's put it that way. Nothing to worry about. All the baggage things are done. Anyways, now the reason why I do is because we wanted to just get baggage free and then we just can roam around the city once again. So we're in the Zurich airport, just shopping around, and then we're gonna go to the main station, and then also in the main station we're gonna roam around a bit, and then come back to the airport at about 9ish because our flight boarding is at 10:05. So if you're at the airport by 9, that would be really good. So let's go. So we are back at the Zurich HB. We're gonna be taking tram number 11, and we're gonna go to this place called, I have no idea, but we're gonna be taking a cruise, a 1.5 hour cruise. It's gonna take you all over Lake Zurich.
Sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
So it's over now. We're now going down, and we're gonna be probably eating something and then heading back to the airport because we're leaving. We are literally at the edge of the road, like right here. So we are back at Bahnhofstrasse. Did the Lake Zurich, did the cruise, roamed around a bit, and now heading back to the airport. So we're at the airport, finding something. We're right now sitting in Foodland to get something to eat. So finished my last meal in Switzerland on this holiday. So now we'll be going in, passing the security checking, see what I'm saying, and then going in the airplane. Straight back to Hong Kong. Is it showing this? Hong Kong?
Not yet, yeah,
Oh.
there's not in the...
There. Hong Kong, 10:40. second one. Sad, but the journey had to end at some point. So just finished our immigration, now heading to E-gates because our gate number is E20 something, I forgot. So yeah. E35. That's where the gate number is for the flight to home. Now getting in the plane. Yeah, guys, we're leaving. We have arrived. We're in Hong Kong now. Gotta pass the immigration, collect our baggages, and head straight back to our house. We are back from where the journey began. And now I'm standing here telling y'all that the journey has officially ended. It was a great journey, lots of fun. Did a lot of things, so many activities. It was a majestic journey, majestic holiday. And it was even more majestic taking you all around. So, to my next video, stay tuned, stay majestic. I hope you all enjoyed this majestic 21-day journey. See you soon.